got a couple different little things on these. For the most part, it's more the same, but every wheelbarrow has their own little idiosyncrasies. So the 4 with the smooth, go there. Good. These, see there's a right angle and then like a little bit more of a sharp one. So make sure you don't get them on like that, or they'll do this. But yeah, the way I have it oriented, like the steep part or the open part sticks out that way, 90 degree on the bottom. It's per the instructions. Super light wood handles on these. Actually the tub's pretty thin, so the whole thing doesn't weigh that much. The bad part is you got all these little washers to go with the nuts. So definitely a pain in the butt. Luckily these bill a little higher. So a couple of them are like that. Some you'll just get the flange washer or the nylon lock nut, or sorry, flange nut. But these have a flat washer and a lock washer. And it's for every single bolt. Alright, the only way you can really tell which way it goes is it's wider towards the feet. My goodness, fingers are getting cold. These usually come on a pallet of 17, and we bill 11 a piece. Ends up being 187 for billing. So this front strap, you're going to have 2 bolts that are slightly shorter. Those are the ones that go in the front. Otherwise these will stick out, and these won't be easy to get through the rest of it. So you'll find out later when one doesn't want to fit that you did it wrong. A couple other ones are like that too, where the shorter bolts go in the front. And the rest of these are all the same length. These brackets, they're angled, so if you put them on wrong, you'll end up with them at these crazy angles where they stick out like that. You can do it, but it looks really dumb. So you learn which wheelbarrows have parts like that have to go on a specific size and which ones don't. Longer tab, shorter tab. Shorter tab goes towards the handle. Otherwise, pretty much just like the rest of them. said, this is a little thinner metal, so you don't want to crank on these too hard or they can pull through. These, I started actually tipping these like this so that you don't have to worry about hardware falling off, where you can get it tighter, plus you don't have to bend over as far and you can kind of see what you're doing. Instead of threading stuff effectively in the dark. There's 1 and 2 Anvils. The other one's the plastic tub. It's just as easy.